Topic is intersection of two intervals. Definition is the intersection of two intervals I1 is equal to A1 B1 and I2 is equal to A2 B2 is defined to be I1 intersection I2 is equal to A1 B1 intersection A2 B2 equal to maximum of A1 A2 comma minimum of B1 B2 and A1 B1 intersection A2 B2 is equal to empty set if and only if A1 greater than B2 or A2 greater than B1. Let's see some examples. Let we have I1 is equal to 1 2 interval and I2 is equal to 4 5 interval. Then I1 intersection I2 is equal to 1 2 intersection 4 5, which can be written as maximum of 1 4 and minimum of 2 5, which is equal to maximum is 4 and minimum is 2. We can see that this is not an interval. This is equal to empty set because one of these conditions satisfied. Let we draw. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. You can see that 1 2 is interval 1 and 4 5 is interval 2. This is A1, this is B1, this is A2, this is B2. अब इस कंडीशन को देखें A1 ग्रेटर देन B2, B2 से ग्रेटर A1 होना चाहिए, ये कंडीशन नहीं है। ये देखें A2 ग्रेटर देन B1, B1 से A2 ग्रेटर है। ये देख, ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करती है। इस कंडीशन की वजह से ये एम्प्टी सेट है। लेट्स सी अनदर एग्जांपल। हियर I1 is equal to 1 3 and I2 is equal to 2 5. Then I1 intersection I2 is equal to 1 3 intersection 2 5, which is equal to maximum of 1 2 and minimum of 3 5, which is equal to 2 3, because maximum is 2 and minimum is 3. This is an interval. अब हम इसको ड्रा करके देखते हैं। ये देखें, ये 1 है, ये 2 है, ये 3 है, ये 4 है, ये 5 है, राइट। अब आप देखें 1 3 is I1 and 2 5 is I2 and their intersection is 2 3. This is clear from the calculation. This is I1 intersection I2. एक और एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं। that I1 is equal to 1 3 and I2 is equal to 1 5. Then I1 intersection I2 is equal to 1 3 intersection 1 5, which is equal to maximum of this, which is 1, and minimum of these numbers, which is equal to 3. इसको ड्रा करके देखते हैं। This is 1 2 3 4 5. इसमें देखें 1 3 I1 है और 1 5 I2 है, और इन दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन क्या है? 1 3. एक और एग्जांपल देखते हैं। इसमें हमारे पास I1 is equal to 0 5, I2 is equal to 1 3. Then I1 intersection I2 is equal to 1 3 which is equal to maximum of 0 1 is 1 and minimum of 5 3 is 3. अब इसको ड्रा करके देखते हैं. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. अब इसमें देखें हमारे पास 0 5 एक इंटरवल है I1 और 1 3 दूसरा इंटरवल है I2 और इन दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन क्या है 1 3. अब इसमें एक और एग्जांपल देखते हैं. इसमें हमारे पास है I1 इज इक्वल टू 1 5, I2 is equal to 4 6. Then I1 intersection I2 is equal to 1 5 intersection 4 6, which is equal to maximum of 1 and 4 is 4 and minimum of 5 and 6 is 5. इसको ड्रा करते हैं. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6. अब देखें हमारे पास 1 5 I1 है और 4 6 I2 है और इन दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन हमारे पास है 4 5. अब इसमें हम क्लियरली देख सकते हैं जो कॉमन पार्ट है वही इंटरसेक्शन पार्ट है जिस तरह सेट में होता है. एक और एग्जांपल देखते हैं. इसमें हमारे पास है I1 1 3 and I2 is 3 5. Then their intersection is I1 intersection I2 is equal to 1 3 intersection 3 5, which is equal to maximum of 1 3 is 3 and minimum of 3 5 is 3, which is equal to 3. So intersection of these two interval is a single number 3. अब हम इसको ड्रा करते हैं. ये देखें ये 1 2 3 4 5. अब आप क्लियरली देखें हमारे पास I1 है 1 3 and I2 is 3 5 and their intersection is 0.3.